Hello everyone. It's been a while since I last shared a message with you. My summer included a whirlwind trip to visit our Forever family in Asia. In just 7 days, we visited Singapore, Malaysia, and Japan. Aiden and I had the chance to reconnect with staff and FBOs that we have not seen for over 2 years. It was so great to be back. While in Malaysia, we traveled to Johor Bahru to celebrate a success day with a few hundred excited FBOs. It was a wonderful day filled with recognitions, testimonials, photos, and even some dancing. I loved listening to all the experiences, success, stories, and hard work that goes into building a forever business. I was especially touched by one woman's story, Roani. She is a brave, young forever business owner who told us how Forever has given her the confidence, income, freedom, and opportunity to make adjustments when her life was thrown into chaos after her young son was diagnosed with leukemia. Before becoming an FBO, she described having to leave work to care for her son. As you can imagine, she was terrified about the health of her son, her loss of income, and what the future may hold. Thankfully, through Forever, her hard work paid off. Her son recovered, and she managed to build a forever business and provide for her family. We all know that it wasn't easy for Ruani and her family, and unfortunately, not all stories have a happy ending like this one. But to see how Forever provided her a vehicle to adapt and adjust to her life's experiences filled me with a deep sense of appreciation. Gratitude has to be the most effective investment we can make in our teams. Simple, genuine expressions of appreciation can brighten a team member's day, make a bad week better, or even turn a failure into a learning opportunity. I think that is why I love the theme for Forever Japan's 39th birthday this past June, Thank You. They chose this for 2 reasons. The first was, of course, that we are deeply grateful for the almost 40 years of continued success and for the relationships we have with our family of FBOs there. The second reason is because the pronunciation of 3 and 9 in Japanese is san and kyu, which sounds like sankyu. That phonetic play on words was a perfect theme for FLP Japan as they celebrated 39 years of continued growth and success. As Aiden and I got on the plane to head home after our trip, I thought about the scale of Forever. It spans 44 years with millions of FBOs in over 160 countries, more than 100 products, huge global events, a vast supply chain management, global taxation, and thousands of staff all working in a complicated social economic time. However, in thinking about this, I didn't feel overwhelmed or concerned, to be honest. It inspired me because I know that we are all surrounded by the very best FBOs, staff, and suppliers in the industry. I am humbled and deeply grateful for Forever, a company that can give hope to millions just like Ruani and people like you and me. There are still so many people to share the business with, so I challenge you to continue spreading the power of Forever. We each need to do all we can and renew our commitment to make sure that everyone, everywhere can find more reason to say thank you.